Hey guys, today we'll be reviewing the Tecno Camon 17 Pro as released by Tecno on May 16th. This phone is absolutely a delight to view. If you see this and you know that you want to get a copy of this Tecno Camon 17 Pro, it is a bargain for you to get. And if you get a copy of this, you're going to be getting the Buds One for free by Tecno. This is absolutely an unbeatable offer from Tecno. Now, this earbuds, as you're seeing here, has a perfectly crafted design, and apart from the perfectly crafted design, it is also very easy to connect to your phone, and you get amazing sound. And the noise filter, according to Tecno, is second to none. But we're going to be trying all of these so you can experience it in this review.
On the 6th of May 2021, Tecno announced the release of Camon 17 series, and according to Tecno, this phone has the clearest selfie camera.
Alright guys, so the most important thing everyone considers before they make a purchase of any substance or anything at all is usually the price. So let's run you through on the prices for the phones that Tecno released, Camon 17, and you know we also have Camon 17P and this one, Camon 17 Pro. Let's find out what the prices range looks like.
Users can get the Camon 17 at an official price of 74,000 Naira. The Camon 17P can be purchased at 97,000 Naira. And the Camon 17 Pro, which is the one I have right here, can be gotten for 125,000 Naira. After my first contact with this phone, trust me, you will certainly get your money's worth. And now to the next one.
Alright, okay. So you know about the pricing of the Tecno Camon 17, and now it's time for us to do the unboxing. I know a lot of people want to find out exactly what they get when you get this pack. So let's find out exactly the things, the contents apart from the phones that you're going to be finding inside the Camon 17 Pro when you get a copy.
The Tecno Camon 17's entrance to the smartphone market came at a perfect time where users want more from their selfie and would appreciate a smartphone with a high-quality camera that grants them the freedom and ability to explore their creativity. This phone comes with a 48-megapixel super clear selfie camera, a dual LED flash, and a 1080p video capacity at 30 frames per second. The main camera of the phone is 64 megapixel with amazing night mode. Did I mention it has a quad camera which includes 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel in depth, and 2 megapixel monochrome. It also comes with a secondary microphone which helps with the noise reduction when you're making or receiving call.
Alright guys, so this is the selfie camera of the Camon 17 Pro, and as you can see, this phone is madly on point. So I love the fact that the picture quality is second to none, and you know, because of the font, you can actually tilt it to this direction and that, and then you get something very interesting. So if you're still thinking, or maybe you're still contemplating on getting yourself a copy, it is very important that you get one.
You'll find the dual SIM and memory card tray, the audio jack, USB Type-C port, and a set of speakers, one at the top and the other at the bottom. Worthy of note is that the power button, which is located on the side of the phone, doubles as the fingerprint scanner, and this is really fast in unlocking the phone. For the display, the phone is 6.8 inches long with an IPS liquefied crystal display LCD and a resolution of 1080p by 2460p, perfect for gaming and movies. Olamide, You and game sha. Be calming down, Oga.
Alright, so the Tecno Camon 17 Pro is powered by Android 11, and of course the processor is the Helio G95 octa-core, and that is super fast for your user experience. Also, this is claiming to be the best selfie camera. If you understand what Tecno have done here, they have the front camera of 48 megapixel ultra camera capable of going at 1080p by amazing shots. If you're going to try it, we're going to be experiencing it ourselves, so you see exactly what it feels like for gaming, for movie experience. So if you want to watch movies with your phone, this gadget is absolutely perfect for that use.
The phone is running on the Android 11, and Tecno used the MediaTek Helio G95 processor, which makes navigation super fast. User experience is second to none, as multitasking on the Camon 17 Pro is on fleek. The phone comes with 8GB RAM, and you know what that means when it comes to space and capacity. The phone also comes with a 5000 mAh battery that can last the whole day once fully charged. Also, the charger of this phone is 25 watts, and it charges the phone from 0 to 100% in just over an hour. I find it interesting that the Camon 17 Pro came with the peek-proof privacy feature, which enables you darken the screen and make it difficult for someone around you to see the parts of your screen. Olé! I love this feature. There are also other interesting features which makes the phone really lovely and fun to use, but you have to own it to feel it. Well, I love the gaming, definitely. I'm in love with the gaming. I've got a copy, and now I'm loving it. You should also get a copy of the Tecno Camon 17 series. You will get your money's worth.